If you're a Mac user and you want to trade using cTrader, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and set it up on your MacBook, step by step. cTrader is one of the most popular trading platforms, known for its clean interface, fast execution, and powerful charting tools. Let's get started. First, open any browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or any browser you prefer. In the search bar, type Download cTrader and press Enter. Now click on the first result. Make sure it's the official cTrader website. I'll also leave the direct link in the description for easy access. Once you're on the download page, look for the Mac version and click the Download button. At this point, you might be asked to log in or create an account. Go ahead and sign in with your trading account, or create one if you don't have it yet. After that, the download should start automatically. It usually takes just a few seconds, depending on your internet speed. When the file is downloaded, open your Downloads folder and double-click the file. You'll see a window with the cTrader icon and your Applications folder. Now just drag the cTrader icon into the Applications folder. This is the standard way to install apps on macOS. The system will handle the installation automatically. Once that's done, you can close the window and move the installer to the trash. Next, open Finder, go to Applications, and double-click cTrader to launch it. You can also press Command plus space, type cTrader, and open it using Spotlight. The first time you open the app, macOS might show a security prompt. Just click. Open to continue. Now you'll be prompted to log in with your cTrader ID, also called a ctID. This is a single account that lets you access all your broker accounts in one place. If you already have one, just sign in. If not, you can register directly inside the app for free in about 30 seconds. Once you're logged in, connect your broker account or start a demo, and you're ready to trade. And that's all there is to it. cTrader is now installed on your MacBook and ready to go. If this video helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more trading platform tutorials. Drop a comment below if you have any questions. I read every single one. See you in the next one.